The paper shield. Hello, this is one shot to the future. Are you studying for another certificate right now? Another degree? Another license? Another shiny piece of paper to hang on your wall? You tell yourself, I am preparing for the future. But let me tell you the truth. You are just hiding. You are afraid of the real world. You are afraid of being judged. So you hide in the library, collecting certificates like a child collecting stickers, hoping that these papers will protect you. That certificate is not a weapon. It is a shield for cowards. The market doesn't care about your diploma. Listen to me. The market is a battlefield. Do you think a piece of paper stops a bullet? Clients and customers don't care about your GPA or your certifications. They only ask one question: can you solve my problem? If you can solve it, you get paid. If you can't, you starve, even if you have a PhD. Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg. Did they have a stack of certificates? No, they had skills and guts. While you are memorizing answers for a test, the winners are out there failing, learning, and making money. Learning to swim in a library. Gathering certificates without experience is like trying to learn how to swim in a library. You read every book on aerodynamics and fluid mechanics. You get an A+ on the swimming exam. But the moment you fall into the ocean, you will drown. Real competence doesn't come from a textbook. It comes from drinking salt water and gasping for air. Stop studying the theory of success. Go out and get your hands dirty. One scar from a real failure is worth more than 10 diplomas on your wall. Anxiety is your driver. Why are you obsessed with certificates? Because of anxiety. If I don't have this, I won't get hired. Stop preparing to be chosen. Choose yourself. The moment you throw away that paper shield and face the market naked, your real education begins. Burn the shield. Pick up a sword. The world needs problem solvers, not test takers. In the next video, we will talk about why reading books can actually make you stupid. Reading is mental masturbation. Thank you. This was one shot to the future.